Alright, we're doing a video today. Changing the oil on a Prius. What year Prius is it? Yep.
What?
What year Prius?
2015.
Prius 2.
Thus.
0-20. And this is 20,000 mile oil. We're saying full year, but I mean, I typically only go 10,000 miles. How many held that? How many of those plastic things came out? That 3 that held that up?
Probably 4.
4 that held that up. So it's these little plastic deals. You just pull out, take a flat screwdriver, pull it out, bend it all the way back, and once you get underneath there. Alright, so for oil filter, I'm using this little cap. It's like for a motorcycle, it's metal, and then it just takes like a 3/8 inch ratchet, and that just fits right on there, perfect. So you don't have to use any kind of plier or anything, and then just put this ratchet in there, and then just turn that baby off. So I'm gonna get this pan over here. There. And hand me like a, what is that, like 14? 14. Oh my god, it's perfect. So I won't take that filter all the way out yet. I think I'll drain the oil first. Oh, that's so tight. I hate that one, so tight. Alright. Probably should wear some rubber gloves. I normally do, like some surgical gloves, but I take that off. Alright, so let's let that drip out. Get them both dripping at the same time. Ouch. Oh. I can zip my hand in here. There we go. That's better angle. Alright, so let's pop this out. And see what it looks like. And then, can you grab the new filter? Alright, so I got this filter in, the plug back in, now I'll add some oil. Alright, so I leave this flap open, so once you put the oil in, and then we start the engine, we can come back down here and make sure nothing's leaking, make sure that the filter is not leaking and the plug on the oil pan isn't leaking. And then it tells you the oil to use right on there, so you can't screw it up. Got quarts on this side, liters on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4 quarts. That would be 5. So we'll take it down to here.
Here, yeah.
A little bit. Oh yeah, that's right up there.
God.
On the money. All right, now we can start it.
So then you have to hit it twice too, right? Because this is like, what do they call that? When it's like accessory mode, right? Mm-hmm. And then to actually turn it on, you hit it twice.
Now you did the pump the thing twice?
Yep. Mm-hmm. So it's pump gas twice, hit the brake, put it in neutral. Then it's 1, 2, brake, park. Then it's 1, 2, brake power. Boom. There we go.
Maintenance mode.
Maintenance mode.
I would like to wipe off around the oil plug there. So then if you ever come back and you see drips, then you know that it was from after you did it, you know?
Oh.
So like next time if you change it and you get to the plug and you're like, there's oil there, then you're like, oh, this plug could be bad or I didn't tighten it enough or something.